Jambe, this is your favorite astrologer Pandit Parashar, back again with the weekly forecast for the week July 13th to July 19th. For Aries, money will come in plenty and you may go out and do little shopping for yourself also. Your recent strategy will help overcome many hurdles and silence people causing you stress and pain for a long time. This is the right time to approach the government agency for the clearance. You may also visit a holy place with family this week and participate in some special prayers. Taurus, presence of Venus and Jupiter in first will help resolve many issues in personal and professional life. Right eye may start to give some trouble and you may make an appointment to have it checked. Value of your stocks will appreciate and you will continue to hold on to them for some more time. You may travel to a nice place with family this week. Gemini, you will reap rich rewards for the efforts made in the past. A big contract will be in your hand finally. Someone will try to drag you into an unnecessary argument at work unless you want to make their problem your problem. Prompt action will help you resolve an important issue with a government agency. Cancer, do not be nervous and stick to your guns. Victory is all yours. Courageous action will take you closer to your professional goals. Just handle all the machinery and tools with care this week. People in business will definitely do better. Sale of property can bring extra money in your pocket. Leo, money wise it will be a tight week and you will need to do a lot of juggling in order to meet your commitments. Slow progress will cause slight frustration in your mind, but you should continue as the success is not far off. People in business will need to respond to a query from a government agency. Be careful when signing any document. Virgo, money wise you will continue to do well and some of you may also initiate a legal procedure to prove your point. Decision will come in few weeks and will be in your favor. There will be a lot of conflict in your mind, but you will end up making the right choice with the help of a mature person. You may also travel to a nice place with the family this week. Libra, things stuck in the past will start rolling in the right direction. Some of you will be getting ready to move to a better location. Boss will call you to discuss an important project. You will be able to recover only a part of money stuck for long this week. It will be better to do your homework before committing to a venture in partnership. Scorpio, you will continue to enjoy a new relationship and wait for the right time to take it to the next level. Money wise, you will stay comfortable and will have more than enough left after meeting your commitments. You will make some very calculated move in career. Still, it will be better to have second opinion before you make the final commitment. Sagittarius, things will happen in second attempt only. You may call a trusted friend to seek your advice and guidance. Some of you may go on a short trip to a nice place with family this week. Have a little more patience as the right opportunity will come after a few weeks only. Your claim will be passed and the check can also arrive this week. Capricorn, obstacles will be followed by excellent solutions. You will achieve your professional goals without any difficulty. Chances of addition of a new member in the family becomes imminent. You will attend a big party and meet some politician this week. You will be extremely lucky in almost all money matters. Aquarius, analyze your response carefully and you should not think of retaliation. It is time to fine tune your talents as planets bring back the self confidence. Sun in 6th will get you to the results for the hard work and patience maintained in the past. A child will continue to need your moral support and guidance. Contract signed now will be very beneficial. Pisces, take a chance with someone extending not only support but good company. You can make extra money if you put your talents to work. You may find it difficult to get job done from subordinates. Proposal will be good and the bachelor should not be scared to make the commitment. A child will need your help in doing some research about the next step he has to take. We'll see you next week. Have a wonderful week. Jai Ambe.